Danette May 3-Day Healing Detox Program Review. What is the Healing Detox Program about? The 3-Day Healing Detox Program is a body detox program. It will help you to completely cleanse and rebalance your body, mind, and emotions with healing foods, healing movements, and healing meditations. Why do you need to detoxify your body? The very simple reason is, unsafe toxins are making their way into your body by means of pesticides or herbicides on your food, in your water, soaps and shampoos, perfumes, and even the smoke outside that you breathe. Simple fact is, there are toxins almost everywhere, and you know what these can do to your health. As time passes, these build up inside you and gradually can cause damage to our health. Scientific research has already shown how this can slow down your results and leave you malnourished, exhausted, and struggling physically and emotionally. All of which makes it almost impossible to burn off that unwanted fat. So ask yourself why people worldwide turn to magic protein drinks, popping fistfuls of diet pills, and living on a diet of slimming bars? The problem is that those drinks are packed with man-made sweeteners, soy and substances, which leads to skin breakouts, cravings, and imbalanced hormones. So how to balance your hormones and burn fat fast? Danette May 3-Day Healing Detox is what you need. The program is designed in 3 phases. These 3-phase detox will help you to completely release and eliminate build-up toxins from your body. Toxins that have been stored in your cells, tissues, and organs, which started to accumulate in your body the day you were born. Waste, literally rotting food stuck in the nooks and crannies of your body. Fat, including belly fat and cellulite, that has attached to cells as a form of protection from toxins. Foggy brain, confusion and forgetfulness. Emotional stress from your past and present, especially from the stories you tell yourself. Unproductive exercise, where you work out like crazy, beat yourself up, but still can't see the results you want. With Danette May 3-Day Healing Detox, you will eliminate all these problems, activate your slow metabolism, and put your body in fat-burning mood. The 3-Day Healing Detox program will help you to completely cleanse and rebalance your body, mind, and emotions with healing foods, healing movements, and healing meditations. Start your total body detoxification today with Danette May 3-Day Healing Detox program. Click the link below this video to visit the official website of the 3-Day Healing Detox program. Thanks for watching.